Hey, we're gonna go talk to Henry about why we can't ever get a Henry rifle.
What were you saying earlier about Henry rifles? We weren't recording. We missed it. That they were playing the Rolex game?
Oh yeah, I think Henry, Ruger. I think they're all the lever gun craze. The demand on lever guns. I think they are playing the Rolex game, where they're intentionally not meeting production for demand. So they're intentionally producing less guns than what people want, right? And therefore it creates more demand because the harder it is to get something, the more people want it, the more they're willing to pay for it in the gray market. And so you've seen a real tough time getting lever guns anywhere. Even I can't get one right now. What's up, dude?
What's up, man? How are you? Busy. How about you?
Same shit.
Yeah?
Same shit.
Henry hired me to film for him today, so I get to spend my day at 25 yards right. Oh, that's cool.
So a little bit of a tail crosswind. I'm thinking we hold, 5 or 6 feet to the right at 7 yards.
Yeah, good.
What did you say? 5 or 6 feet to the right?
Yeah.
That's 7 yards.
It's 7 yards, yeah. Look how fucking windy.
I'm Chad.
Chad, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Firearms Insider.
Oh, right on.
Gun and Gear Review Podcast.
Okay.
You may have heard of it.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah.
I need to get on that podcast.
We got this guy,
I
so
promise I won't say fuck too many times.
I don't know if you can keep up weight-wise.
How you doing, bro? Good. I'm looking forward to shooting this Henry thing we got. Did you hear about this? Semi-automatic 9mm Henry. It looks like a BAR and takes a Glock mag.
It's a blast.
What?
Yeah.
I guess Henry was like, "Oh, POF wants to fuck around." POF wants to fuck around. All right, we got something for your ass. That is hilarious. Where is that made? Wisconsin too? I have no idea.
So.
I just got teased up here. It's like a bright light and I'm a bug. Hell yeah. All right, I'll go over there and shoot that freaking knockoff Turkish MP5.
They're actually nice knockoff Turkish MP5.
What?
So they're actually nice knockoff Turkish MP5s.
All right. Zenith makes pretty good shit. That is just weird.
Oh yeah.
That whole shit are sweet. Passing out stickers instead of patches this year. Have fun. Love a podcast, by the way, bro. I listen all the time.
Oh, really? Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Every solstice when he puts it out.
Yeah, every now and then.
One, I put 2 out this year already.
Yeah.
So, watch your ass. I'm on a roll.
We got
Oh, now we're talking.
Sorry about that, Val.
So they weren't bullshitting. It kind of has that BAR vibe, that BAR vibe for a 9mm semi-automatic. It's ambidextrous bolt. Just pull it out, stick it in on the other side. I'm gonna leave it over there. But mag release is right in front of the mag, and it takes Glock mags.
real tiny ones.
That's what she said. Now you have to fire a bar from the hip, right? Got it one time. Little Kentucky windage. Huh? Drop one. That's pretty cool. So, how far out are those big targets?
The black is on the hill at 100 yards.
Okay.
That's all I know.
What's the drop on this 360 last?
What's the drop on that bullet?
I mean, I zero for, you should be close to on at this point.
That was a hit.
Yep.
We're usually out here, but not set up like this. Yes and no. Yeah, we've been covering it for years.
Got a little power to it. Retail stores to put Ranger Point Precision products on them as demos. But I haven't been able to get that. I filled out the form and sent it in, but so far nothing.
Okay. I mean, the backlog is
Pretty
daunting.
steep. All those goddamn influencers.
I'll give you a card though.
Hey, I'm on an 8-month wait right now for my 30-30.
Thank you
Try
very
to
much.
help you as much as I can.
All right, appreciate it. Good seeing you, dude.
Good to see you, man. Have a good one.
All right, you too.
You gonna do the classic? You look Costa thing if they do it again?
I think so. Yeah. I had a blast last time.
It's an excuse to get out and shoot.
Yep. And we actually get to shoot a lot there. I love
Yeah.
it. Talk about Texas Range Day or the Costa lever gun, all the fun stuff we do down there in Texas with great companies like Ranger Point Precision, Chris Costa, Wit Machine,